Are you ready for maths? 'Cause I am. Welcome back to maths. Welcome back to some more fractions, and today we are finding a quarter of an amount. Now, when we want to find a quarter of an amount, all we do is we share equally between 4. So I've got some to work through together, and then I've got some for you to do on your own because I want to see what you can do. So, my first question, a quarter of 4. So I want to find a quarter of 4, so I'm going to share the number 4, or the amount 4, between 4 plates like this. So I'm going to take my number 4 in my head. So if I put 1 in here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've shared my 4 out into my plates, and I've put 1 in each plate. So a quarter of 4 is 1. Okay, let's try a slightly bigger number. So a quarter of 8. So I want to share my number 8 between my 4 plates. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So shared my 8 out. Got 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So I've got 2 on each plate. So a quarter of 8 equals 2. Okay, I think you're going to be fab at this. So are you ready to see your numbers? Drum roll. The numbers I want you to share into quarters, or find a quarter of, are 12, 16, 20, 28, and we're getting quite big now, 36. So can you find a quarter of 12? Can you find a quarter of 16? Can you find a quarter of 20? Can you find a quarter of 28? And can you find a quarter of 36? And if you want an extra challenge, because I know some of you are going to be super at this, you can go for numbers even higher. So you can go 40, 44, 48, and you can keep going for as long as you want to. And then when you've done that, if you take a picture and send it to me so I can see your fantastic work. And I do have a problem solving question for you as well, so I have a little challenge. If you do the challenge today, I will give you 15 silver dojos. So if you want to pause the video now and do these numbers first, so pause it now. And then it looks like you've now come back ready for the challenge. So your challenge today, let me just rub these ones off, is a problem solving challenge. And I've made a question, but I've made a mistake. I want you to tell me what my mistake is. So let me put this on here. So I've been trying to write questions for you, but this one went a little bit wrong. So it says, a quarter of 8 equals 4. I've got 1 plate or 1 circle here, and I've got 1 plate or 1 circle here. So I've got 2. And I put 4 there and a 4 there. Can you spot the mistake? So tell me what I've done wrong and try and explain why. Before you start there, you might want to do your problem solving pose. And if I can remember, my problem solving pose was something like this. Ready for some problem solving? Ta-da! Yours might have been this, or this, strong pose, or this, or this, or this. Some sort of cool problem solving pose will do. So, I think a quarter of 8 equals 4. Can you spot my mistake? And when you've done that again, send me a picture so I can give you your challenge dojos, and come back tomorrow for some more maths. See you later.